What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to be talking to you guys about trend identification. Trend identification, how to identify the trend, because you're going to learn that trends are fractal, meaning that whatever happened on a higher time frame is most likely going to be happening on a lower time frame. So this type, we're going to go through trend identification. What's going on, everybody? So we can get into this trend identification, how to recognize a trend. So first off, we already know what the pivot point high, the pivot point low is. So I'm going to draw a line chart to kind of give a quick synopsis on trend identification. So if we have higher highs and higher lows, by default, the price is moving up, right? So therefore, we have an uptrend, meaning prices are going up, okay? That's what they call a uptrend. Now, how do we see that or recognize that on a candlestick chart? We're going to bring that up in a minute, and I'm going to show you what I mean by that. So we're going to keep that up, and let's look at, obviously, the flip side would be lower lows and lower highs will constitute the price, obviously, going where? Down, right? And of course, that would be a down trend, okay? We want to buy when the trend is up, and we want to sell when the trend is down. That's simple enough. So we're not going to get too deep into that. So now let's put up an actual chart to see can we point some of these things out. Go to our trusty dusty trading view. Let's look at a different pair. Let's look at Euro USD. Let's see what Euro USD is doing on a daily chart. Okay, let's refresh that. So on a daily chart, as you can see, get my trusty pencil, we have what we got right here: higher highs and higher lows, which constitute what? An uptrend. So the price is moving up right here. We haven't talked about this yet, but price is kind of moving back and forth right here. So that makes what? Not an uptrend, not a downtrend, but what we're going to talk about is consolidation. Consolidation. All right, that's what consolidation is going to be right there. All right, so as price is moving down, lower lows and lower highs, as the pivot points are moving down, what we got? A down trend. And this is on a daily chart. So obviously, if the daily chart is moving down, the smaller time frame should be moving down as well. Although there may be up moves on a smaller time frame, but the bigger time frame is what we want to stay with as far as with the trend, okay? That's all I got for guys on trend analysis. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions about it. But we're trying to get some of the basic stuff down before we get into the nitty-gritty of the algorithmic trading.